How much risk should you really take? Well, I keep getting this question from a lot of investors, and I would say that it depends on your goals. Let's say if your age is 30 and you have another 30 years to get retired, and you have 30 years of time frame, then you can clearly take an additional risk and invest almost 100% of your money in equities if you don't have any short term goals. And you can think about creating a wealth to the tune of 18 to 20% year on year by investing in some of the best performing small cap funds. But if you are someone who is closer to your retirement, say 58, 59 or 60, and planning to get retired in next 1 or 2 years time, then equity is not meant for you if you're dependent on that money, and therefore you should start reducing your equity exposure. So I would say that it is more to do with your goals, and it also depends on what is the kind of returns that you are planning to generate. For example, if you are 30 and your goal is to buy a Mercedes at the age of 35, which means that you have a window period of 5 years. In that case, if your cost of your car, say Mercedes or BMW, is about 1 crore, then you need to accumulate 1 crore in 5 years. And if you want to accumulate 1 crore in 5 years, then obviously you are looking at more than 25% kind of returns. And when you have these kind of aggressive numbers to work on, then you are not left out for with any option than to deploy your funds in equity markets, and that too more particularly in riskier segment like small cap or a micro cap, because the more the volatility is there, the more risk which gets involved. As they say, the more risk you take, the more returns you get. So therefore, I would always suggest investors to revisit what is the underlying goal. If the underlying goal suggests that you have enough time and you can think about creating a long term wealth, then I would say that slow is the speed here. Instead of running very fast and rushing to some kind of instruments, you should evaluate the instruments in the light of cool period and then think about investing. With that, thank you so much. My name is Vikas Agarwal and I am the founder of ALTPORT.